guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I'm going to be unboxing this order that just came in from Missouri Quilt Company. So my husband got the box first, so he thought it was for him. I don't know why, because it definitely says Quilt Company on it, so he's already opened it a little bit, but let's take a look anyways. Oh, I forgot I ordered these. So I've been on a thing lately. I don't have any quilting clothing, and so I wanted to go out and find some cute shirts, and I was kind of perusing the Missouri Star Quilt Company's site, and I came up with a couple that I wanted to just check out. So let's see. This one is nice and bright. Oops, the box is in the way. I'm always playing Tetris for you guys. Okay, so that's a really fun, bright shirt, and I guess I just need the whole world to know that I like quilting. I thought that was really cute. Looks like these are pretty generously sized. I don't know if they're all going to be sized the same as that one. I ordered my typical size, and I may need to size down, but that's a really cute one as well. And then, if you know me, my family's kind of into Star Wars, and so I just could not pass this one up. How cute is that? It ties what they love and what I love. I think that's a perfect match. So, definitely some quilty shirts for me to wear now. And then I also took advantage of, they were having a flash sale the day that I ordered this, and they had these, this is the, oh gosh, Dear Stella design, oh, it's called Kitty Litter. What an odd name. Anyways, it's just a rainbow, kind of has all the different colors in it. I was thinking that this would be a really fun jelly roll race quilt that we could all sew together. You can do it with any jelly roll, but these rainbow ones are really fun for that. So that's why I grabbed that. And I want to say it was on sale for like $25. So they have the daily deals on the Missouri Star website, and that's what I kind of took advantage of that, and then added a couple other things to the order. They also had the Autumn collection by Lori Holt, and I'll get you guys some better pictures of these, but I haven't seen this collection yet. She just came out with it this summer. I see some prints in there that I've used before. I love how all of her stuff just ties together, and then I can use this pretty much in any quilt of hers that I'm sewing out. And then in the same spirit as the shirts, this is an iron-on fabric blocks. So there's several different patterns here. In fact, I got quite a few. You can see here there's 4 of the first one. Actually, the whole first row has 4, and then several on the bottom row. So you can customize your own shirt. So if you have a different shirt you wanted to do, or a pillow, I think there's kind of endless possibilities. These would be really cute as an iron-on a bag, just to give it a little bit of an embellishment. But these were on sale for $9, and I just thought that that was a really great thing to test out. Ooh. Okay. You know me, I always have my coffee on my table. I can't believe that I don't ruin more of my fabric. I do try to be careful. Sorry for all the plastic noise here, guys. But I can't get in. There we go. So I grabbed one of their mugs. So this is just a standard coffee mug, but on the back it says, "Quilters are peacemakers." And I thought, come on, focus, focus. There we go. Isn't that cute? And then the front is just the logo. Anyways, I thought that was a kind of fun and different unboxing. You know, generally I'm unboxing so many fat quarters and fabrics and quilt kits. But this was kind of the accessory kit, if you will. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy my channel, definitely like and subscribe. That helps me out a ton. And don't forget about our Facebook group. I'd love to see what you guys are working on. And until then, I'll see you guys next time.